Okay, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, that's what the white is, it's the reflection of the lights as you can see there. First piece, nice little bluey greens, little stone there, reasonably flat top, ready to shape. This piece has got a bit of matrix sort of over in the corner here, looks like, but basically I think that's the stone, slightly convex, little green one there. That's been dremeled, so you'll need to finish it off the same way. This piece, just polish it with the potch colour, showing as a pattern in the stone. This piece is quite a nice piece of matrix. Electric green there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.